So again, we're being transported by boat this morning, and we'll be stepping ashore in Qassiarsuk. Now we're here in Qassiarsuk, and behind us is a group from Les Diamants. It's a French cruise line. It's a family cruise, so it's a great opportunity for families to hear about Eric the Red and the Viking settlement here. Well, now we're here with Edda in action. That's the name of your performance. You're a storyteller. What do you tell stories about in this place?
I tell the story of the people who lived here, and actually I tell the Greenland saga.
And you talk a lot about Eric the Red.
Yeah, I talk about the first settlers, and he could see it was very good to make a good living here. And he called the land Greenland and wanted other people to move here with him.
In Qassiarsuk, you can visit reconstructed buildings dating from the time when Eric the Red settled here more than 1,000 years ago and named the island Greenland. There's a reconstructed church that held only 20 people and a longhouse where Eric lived with his wife and servants. It's a small village where you'll have a chance to meet the locals. We ran into a group of school children who were using items from nature for their classwork. So now we're at a school, and we've met a teacher, Aviaya, and they've collected shells down by the beach, and you're using those for what?
For teaching the student how to make an alphabet and how to count.
After spending the morning in Qassiarsuk, we headed across the water to Narsarsuaq with its great access to the ice cap. One great way to see the icebergs here in South Greenland is to get out on a boat excursion. You'll get some great photographs, and you'll really get up close to some of the beautiful icebergs. Now we've traveled to the end of the Icefiord to the white South Greenland. Only 5% of Greenland is habitable. The rest of it is covered in ice cap. And this is the beginning of that ice cap. 80% of the world's largest island is covered in ice. And you're looking at the beginning of it right here. Well, if you're really lucky and well prepared, you can take a piece of the ice, which comes from the glacier back here on one of these icebergs that Jackie just cut off for us. And you can put it in the glass, and hopefully you brought along your famous grouse, and pour it into the glass. You should hear a little crackling sound. Ah, that's ancient ice and famous grouse. There's not a better combination. Cheers. Well, as you can see, the cruise ship behind me, the Diamant, it's leaving now. And if the cruise passengers had anything like the day we had, they had a wonderful experience. After a full day of exploring, now we're at Hotel Narsarsuaq. We'll stay here overnight and have a good dinner. And this is the gateway to South Greenland for travelers coming and going to this beautiful destination.